And moving on to our next keynote speaker, he is the COO of LeoPay, which is a crypto super app that integrates many day-to-day service such as payments, e-commerce, travel booking, and many more. Can I please have on stage Mr. Mohammed Arif Ansari, Chief Operating Officer of LeoPay.
Thank you. Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Mohammed Arif Ansari. I work as the Chief Operating Officer of LeoPay Group. First of all, it's a pleasure and honor for me to be standing here presenting you about my project in front of all of you. Thank you so much for giving me this opportunity. Get the clicks. So today we are going to talk about the ecosystem. You know, what does the ecosystem hold for us? It's not working. Okay, just a brief about myself. Like I said, I work as the Chief Operating Officer of LeoPay Group. LeoPay Group is a group of fintech businesses. We are trying to create an ecosystem of different fintech products and services all in one single platform. Let me, before I go into the details, let me try to give you a concept. Let me start with the concept of Apple. Why is Apple so successful? We all know Apple, most of us use Apple. Why is Apple so successful? Definitely one of the reasons is branding, the ease of use, the feeling of owning an Apple product, but the more important thing is the ecosystem, right? The kind of ease of use that Apple has created. For example, one of the features is AirDrop. You can just easily move different files, different videos, images between different Apple devices, right? If you don't have, if you use another device, for example, an Android device and an Apple device, you'll have to use an external system or external software like Dropbox, Telegram, any other thing. But between Apple devices, it's very easy to operate, right? So any Apple user would not like to use any other device or any other softwares because they know the importance of having everything within one ecosystem. That's what Apple has created. Now let's look at the same analogy, right? Within the crypto ecosystem, if we had an ecosystem, a platform where we had all the different products and services in a single platform, how convenient it will be for the different for the people to use it, right? So that's something that we are trying to create with LeoPay ecosystem. There are different products and services all within one single platform. This is a study based on the different countries, the top 5 countries where businesses accept crypto payments. I'm not sure if you can see the numbers, but look at the numbers of the different businesses that are accepting crypto payments. In the US, it is around 6,000. In Italy, it is around 1,300. Slovenia, 1,100. Brazil, 1,000. Germany, 700. Are these numbers huge? Not at all. These are very tiny numbers as compared to what it should be, right? Let's see about the desire of consumers and merchants worldwide to use crypto and accept crypto, right? This is a study based on Crypto.com, and the findings are very surprising. In terms of merchants, the retail and grocery stores, 80% retail and grocery stores worldwide wants to use crypto in day-to-day life, in day-to-day payment services. Financial services, 63%, digital media, 50% wants to use crypto in day-to-day transactions. Similarly, if you look at consumers in the different sectors like travel, retail, digital, a large number of users want to use crypto. But what's the problem? We just saw in the previous slide, only a handful of businesses are accepting crypto in different countries. But the demand is huge, right? Like we see in this slide, so many B2B and B2C businesses wants to use crypto. That's the challenge we have with crypto today, right? Till date, crypto cannot be used seamlessly for day-to-day transactions, cannot be used as a day-to-day currency, and the acceptance is very, very limited right now. So that's where we come in. That's what we have the vision for. You know, we want crypto to be used in everyday, day-to-day transactions. We want crypto to have mass adoption. Everyone in the world should have the access to crypto and should be able to use crypto in their day-to-day lives. That's the vision. And for this, we are coming up with more and more products and services that will enable us to have this vision fulfilled. So that's what we are doing at LeoPay Group. These are some of the products within the LeoPay ecosystem, but these are not all, right? So these I'm just mentioning 9 of the products today, but we have around 10 more products that are going to come going to go live in this year itself. I'll talk about each of these products in a brief in the next few slides. We also have about from this the LeoPay services. So again, some of more than 10 different services are already live, and we are going live with more and more services every single month. Leo Travel is our online travel booking platform through which we can book flight tickets, and in the coming future we can also book hotels and taxis, right, all with fiat as well as different digital currencies. Right now we have the option of booking through 38 different digital currencies, also including our Leo token, which is our own ecosystem token. So you can book flights, you can book hotels, taxis through our own token. The next big product which is already live is our own exchange, which is called DayToday.com. We just went live with our exchange last month. This is a centralized exchange. And what are the unique features of this exchange? It aggregates liquidity from 300 of the top exchanges in the world, right? So topmost liquidity, large number of trading pairs. Right now we are live with 150 tokens, but we plan to have around 800 tokens by the end of this year. Also, it's very highly safe and secure. We have more than 30 risk control mechanisms already implemented in the exchange. And you have different options. You can do spot trading, you can do margins, you can do futures. And we have made sure that the trading fee is very, very low. So I would encourage all of you to go and register on this exchange. Right now we are also running an airdrop campaign. So if you register and do a successful KYC, you can earn Leo tokens worth $5 up to $1,000 just with a successful registration. Also, we have a referral scheme going on, so if you refer other users, you can earn rewards in the form of Leo tokens. And just this week, the Leo credit token has already gone live on the exchanges, so you can also trade on Leo Trade with Leo credit. The next product is called LeoTech Labs. So in this we have built different products. The products are like Leo Watch. These are actually photographs of our live products. Leo Watch, Leo Phone, Leo Tab, and Leo Cool Wallet. What is the advantage? It's highly encrypted, very easy to use, and you can connect different devices. For example, you can connect your wallet on your smartwatch and you can keep tracking your wallet on your smartwatch. So we are coming up with more and more products under the Leotech Labs ecosystem. These are just the initial ones. LeoCredit, as I said, is the ecosystem token. We already are live with LeoCredit on leocredit.com, and it's already trading successfully on leocredit.com. We plan to list the token LeoCredit on prominent exchanges every month, and you can look into our social media, keep following us on our social media to get the updates about where we are going to list, on which exchanges are we going to list next the LeoCredit token. There's a limited supply to 50 million tokens. We did a very successful ICO. The ICO went on for 6 months. We finished the ICO in December 2021 and it was very, very successful. So we have a huge community of users now, huge community of users who bought LeoCredit tokens and are just waiting to see LeoCredit to be successful. Leo Merchant is our another product which is going to be live very soon. It's like a plug-in tool for online and offline businesses to accept crypto payments. And also, not to forget, the payments can also be done through our own token, which is LeoCredit. So this will again bring more and more usability for the tokens, and also this will help enable mass adoption for crypto. One of our most important products that are going to go live this year is LeoBank. LeoBank is a digital bank for B2B and B2C businesses, and there are different features, different services within the LeoBank ecosystem. So it's a digital banking platform. It supports Euro, USD. It supports 38 different currencies, and you can also do SEPA and SWIFT payments, forex trading. You can run payrolls. So many features. We are coming live with LeoBank. So, ladies and gentlemen, we are here at booth number 8. Our whole team will be happy to assist you, tell you more about our products and services. Like I said, I have only touched upon in brief about different products and services, but we have many more products and services. We will be happy to assist you. We'll be happy to guide you about our products and services and our ecosystem. Keep following us on our social media, different social media channels. We keep updating all the latest news about the exchange, about the different products, the go live date, the listing, every news you can follow us on our social media channels. Thank you once again for patiently listening to me. It's a pleasure and honor to be here. Thank you so much.